Yes, I'm growing as I'm doing this job, that I am like, I have to be like in this gesture, and that's why I'm growing. I'm becoming, I'm looking much more healthier than I was before. Anyway, this is the whole reason why I look better now. And another reason is it's morning, and as we all know that in the morning everything becomes or is at its best, and now I am my best, and so is the environment. Yes, it's our surrounding, it's our locality, and it's beautiful, it's magnificent. It's our paddy field, and I'm proudly doing whatever I love doing when it comes to agriculture. And as I have already mentioned that I have inherited it from my proud father. Okay, I'm just missing him. I'm just praying for him whenever I recall him, whenever I remember him. And thank you very much. It's my studio. এই ফিল্ড থেকে ধান রোপণের সময়, ধান রোপণ, ধান কাটার সময়, ফার্স্ট মেশিনের সময় ভিডিও করি না, এমন সময় থাকে না। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ ফর লিসনিং টু মি অ্যান্ড ওয়াচিং।